Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. My name is Joanne and I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Hidalgo County. Today, Ms. Pena, our MCV President, will be making a basket lining. You will need half a yard of material. Now, let's welcome Ms. Pena.
Hello, my name is Livia Pena and I'm going to be teaching you today on how to make a basket liner, which is this. You can use it for your rolls or tortillas or whatever you want. You can cover it. You are going to need half a yard. I'm going to fold it right here because I want some scraps left for our next project that we will be making soon. So I'm going to lay out my pattern on a fold. Then I'm going to fold it again. You're going to have two folds. One here and one here. You're going to pin it. And we're going to cut. We're going to open it up, and this is what you're going to have. Put your right sides together. Okay, now we're going to pin it. Okay, now we're going to start sewing. We're going to leave an opening at the beginning. So we can turn it inside out. We're going to sew all the way around. We're going to come back and clip your corners. Clip around your inner circle. And then we're going to turn it over. This. This is what we're gonna do, leave our opening. We're gonna clip all our corners. We're gonna flip it inside out. We're gonna go inside and make sure all your corners are pulled out. Okay, now we're gonna go to the ironing board, press it, and then we're gonna top stitch all the way around. Fold your opening in. We're gonna do the top stitching 1/4 all the way around. Okay, this is our finished product, which we are going to be using on a basket or a bowl, whatever you have. You can put your rolls in there, biscuits, tortillas, whatever you have. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Ms. Pena. Now, if you made this project, please hashtag MCVRGVSew and follow us on our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you. Have a great day.